What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over New Zealand dollar, US dollar. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove all of our drawings and we're going to start from scratch on this particular pair. So as always, we're going to go onto the line chart on the monthly time frame, and we're just going to be scraping out some areas of structure that are relative to where price is at, to where it could potentially be going. And then we're going to throw on the candles and see with the Fibonacci's which ones are most relevant to where price is at. Hey. Okay, so now that we've got that done, we can throw on the candles, and then what we're going to be doing is looking for some fibs. Ooh. Cool. So we can see here that we have this 88 aligning with this previous area of structure. And what's interesting about this is, if we actually took an extension on the weekly leg right here, we would see. Let's go to the weekly, guys. We would see that that's actually aligning with our 227 extension as well. So we have three pieces of confluence structure, a retracement, and then also an extension on the weekly leg. So that's kind of an area that we're going to be looking for as far as a short. So let's go back to the monthly real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to clean up some stuff here. Let's go back to the line chart real quick. I just want to make sure I'm getting the right one. So I wanted to get this fib right here. That's a 50, and that's a 61. Okay, so just real quick, I mean, that was a really quick fib drawing. So if we did that a little bit more accurately, candle to candle, that would be closer towards the 61. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark out two areas right here. So we got the 61 plus major structure, and this is also on the monthly. And we're going to throw that here. But what we're going to be looking for is a short, actually. And so we're going to throw up our little fibs up here, our stop loss up here, giving us some breathing room. And then also we're just going to be going down towards. So you can see on this one we had a descending trend line, but we did break through. So we're actually just going to make it towards right here because ultimately, because we actually broke that trend line, I'm actually going to be looking for some logging opportunities. So just to show you real quick, we broke that trend line right here, and we treated it as support. So we're actually looking for longs ultimately, but because we're closer towards the short setup, I'm going to be looking for some shorts. So real quick, I just wanted to write that down as well. So this was 88% plus structure, and this was also on the monthly time frame. Now let's throw back to these candles real quick. So we might be seeing some sort of resistance right here. And in all honesty, depending on the way you guys are planning on setting this up, you guys can actually structure your stop loss a little bit different. But for me personally, I think I'm just going to leave it as such. And as far as targets, I'm going to be going down here. And then that's where we're going to see a lot more resistance. And then also right here. So I'm actually going to delete these. And this is going to be our TP. And our TP is really just going to be structure. So TP is just going to be structure. And then from there, we're actually going to be looking for an entry on our long, because like I said, we did break that descending trend line. So we're actually looking for some longs ultimately. But because we're closer towards the structure, for entry on the short towards our target, I'd rather just take advantage of that. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be waiting to see if expected look for short. Respected, I should say, and confirmed. Look for short. Otherwise, wait till pump towards monthly structure plus 61 fib. And that's pretty much it, guys. So we're just going to be in a position waiting right now. We should get confirmations within the next couple of hours or days. It's still early in the market right now for this trading week. And if we do get that confirmation on the lower time frames and our environment is structurally set up because we're still very bullish on those environments, then we would have a probability of it coming down. Otherwise, we're going to wait till it comes up towards here and evaluate it once again. Obviously, if it comes up to here, we'll have better risk to reward ratio. And yeah, so let's just wait. All we can do is wait essentially right now. No need to rush anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video.